and we start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, step by step. So that's topic today, step by step. I'm on page 239. One who seeks to attain quality of Shmiras Haloshon should use very opposite approach of the gossiper. The gossiper makes it its habit to sit among groups involved in conversation. Okay. In the hope that he will hear a bit of information that he can ridicule or spread to others. The gossiper is forever in search of the latest news in the town, so that he will have no lack of material to relate all day and all night. So that's what they do. They talk to other people. They ask about this person and that person, and then they share the information. So just so you know, when they tell you the information about others, guess what? They're going to tell you whatever you tell them to others. Okay, so that's the approach of the gossipers. Okay, the quality of Shmiras Haloshon should be attained gradually. The first step is to accustom oneself to avoid groups involved in idle conversation and train oneself not to inquire about the latest gossip. Okay, so first of all, as we said many times, don't get close to all these people, all the groups that they speak gossip, right? And second, don't ask them questions. If you know that somebody is a gossiper, don't ask. Okay? One should train himself little by little until he reaches the point where he does not even want to inform of any gossip, not to be informed of any gossip. So don't ask. I mean, I'm not interested. Do you want to know? No, I don't. They ask me, do you want to know? I say, no, I don't. With a passage of time, Hashem will help him so that Shmiras Haloshon will become a part of his very nature. So I think, as I always say, if you say a few times that you're not interested, that people are going to leave you alone. Maybe 3-4 times, depends on the person. They're not going to tell you all the gossips. He will find it incredible that others can transgress the sin of speaking Lashon Hara, which to him has become something repulsive, like anything else which Torah forbids. Okay. Right, so let's stop here.